everyone and welcome to TechStam's YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to make a group video call in FaceTime on iPhone 14, 14 Pro and 14 Pro Max. So if you want to talk with your friends all together in a group call, you can do it using the FaceTime on your iPhone 14. So for that, first open the FaceTime app. In the FaceTime app, you'll find two options: the create link and new FaceTime. So you can from here you can simply create a link for the group video call by tapping on it. When you tap on it, you will see here a banner telling just showing you the context that you can send the group link to, and as well from here you can email them, you can send them through WhatsApp, Gmail, or anything you want. And as well you can simply copy the link and send the link through WhatsApp or Facebook Messenger or any other text messaging app. And after that, if they when they click on that, they can simply join your video call. So another way is simply try tapping new FaceTime, and from here by tapping on the plus sign and adding people from your contacts. When you add people from your contacts, you can simply tap on the FaceTime button here. When you tap on it, the group video call will start, and your friends can join the video call, and you can talk with each other. So that's it. That's how you can start a FaceTime with group video call on iPhone 14. So thank you for watching, and please do like and subscribe.